Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. You're probably thinking, well, isn't this guy supposed to be on a break? Well, I got offered to do a gear review, so I'm gonna be doing those in another video. Well, actually, they'll probably be up before this, but I promised stove on every outing, so let's make some coffee. Get to it. All right, so you may or may not remember, but I used this little folding stove on a camping trip. And that's how small it is. Came out of an MRE. I believe it was a Russian MRE. And then I've got this one here, which I've not used yet. And I honestly don't remember who sent it to me. I want to say it was Mark Kratz, but I'm not entirely sure. So I do apologize for forgetting. He fight the zip top bag open off camera. So I got it open. I actually had to end up having to tear it open. So I think it goes like this. And what I'm going to use is, I've never used fuel gel before, so I'm going to use some fuel gel. Cut that open. It's a little windy, I'm going to need some, oh, here it is. I brought out a windscreen as well. The Real 11T had sent me this. Just want to block some of the wind. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get the, I don't know if I need the whole thing, but I'm just gonna use the whole thing. I got some dollar store matches, which I dropped everywhere. Okay. Oh, I think it's going. Oh, I see some flame, so. Alright, I got my stove and my water here. Or my pot, my water. I'm gonna set that right on top. Yeah. Throwing off a lot of smoke. Whatever though. Camera's sitting right on the table, getting a nice close up. Alright, so today's coffee is going to be the Wildland coffee again. I'm going to mix it with hot chocolate though. And do a sort of like a army mocha that I've made. Used to make all the time, but I really haven't been making it very much. Not sure why. So we'll get that going. Check, see how the well, it's burning right along. Sweet. And that fuel gel is really throwing off a lot of flame. Kind of impressed. Maybe I shouldn't have dragged my feet so much before using it. That's pretty nice. Color me impressed. See what I mean? It's just rocking right along. I'm using the bottom of the pizza pan, so I'm not going to be burning the table. It looks like I made a good call. The windscreen's being a big help, so. Man, that fuel gel is just burning right along. We're near boilage. We got ourselves a the beginning stages of a boil. We're gonna get that on there, and then get that on there. I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't want to waste that gel, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some more water going. Gotta let that coffee steep, and then I'll let the hot cook. You know, I gotta say, I'm actually really happy with these Wildland coffees. I mean, yeah, you gotta deal with the tea bag, or the tea bag full of coffee grounds, but that's not really that big a deal. I mean, it seems like it makes a good cup of coffee, and it also seems like if you let it sit longer, you get a stronger cup. So I forgot to look at, I looked at my phone, but I forgot what time it was. So I think it's been about 6 minutes. So it should be pretty close to being done. I'm just gonna give it another couple minutes while that's going. And then the stove, the gel is still burning along. I think I'm actually feeling wind at my back, so I think it's actually hitting the wind, or hitting the stove directly. I don't know if I could push this back without knocking the whole thing over, but I'll let the windscreen do its job. Of course, now you can't see anything. Seems like the wind is just going to do what it wants. We get a time check on the coffee. Well, 8 minutes. I guess that's good enough. So we'll get this turned down. Drain out what I can of the goodness. Now I'm going to make my cup of coffee as normal. I'm going to add creamer and then more coconut sugar. I'm trying to work around the camera here. Wind's starting to pick up. I was driving here, there's actually a number of downed trees on the way here, so got my little square from the fuel gel. Throw that away too. Don't want to leave any garbage behind. Have you not had this combo, chocolate, hot chocolate and coffee? It's really good. At least I really like it. And this is sugar-free, no sugar added hot chocolate. That's how I roll. Alright, cheers. And I'm cutting my own head off, but whatever. Man, that's a good drink. That's really good. It's those two things together. It's sure hitting the spot too, because it's kind of chilly today. I'm literally wearing 3 shirts plus this fleece. Let's see if we got ourselves a boil yet. Not fully, but the water's almost hot enough. See if I can get in there closer and show you what it looks like. So that's kind of what it's down to. I'm tempted to drop an Esbit cube right in the center and see if it takes off, and then I could finish boiling the water I've got. I mean, it's bubbling up, but it's not. Yeah, we'll drop an Esbit in there. Kind of going freehand with this, but let's see what happens. Seeing a little smoke. Question is it hot enough underneath to spark it up to life? And they have to throw a match on it. Alright, so I got the Ultra Pod out so I can get this going. That wind. Seriously? I didn't scrape the top either, so. Come on, baby, take. Wow. And there it goes. Cool. Well, I'll let it get, I'll let it start to burn a bit more before I put the thing on. There we go, that's what I wanted to see. I'm going to use the depleted matches and kind of see if I can get it pushed down into the... There we go. Where's my pot? Okay, good. I didn't want to get snuffed out. A little experimentation. Man, I'll tell you what. Delicious. Highly recommend anyone trying that. It's a great combo. See how that water's doing. It's certainly steamy. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding another Esbit as soon as this is done, because I'm going to start cooking this right on Trek meal, which will be the video after this one. So, unfortunately, this thing is being kind of a drag ass while getting my water to a boil. We are finally seeing some bubble action. So I'm actually going to be using my my Bigfoot insulated cover here. We're going to go get some water in here. Stop. So I'm going to be using this this mocha here that Diddy Bushcraft and Outdoors sent me. He's an awesome guy. So I'll just cut the package open. Gonna add that to my water. Even though that's not gonna. Then I got hot chocolate again. So I'm gonna go with a mocha. And now, why would I add hot chocolate when it's already mocha? Because I ain't following no rules today. We're just gonna wing it. Sweet. Now I keep the beverage nice and warm while I'm doing another video. I'm actually gonna be cooking lunch here soon. Cheers. Yeah, that's good. Nice. A little dust on the top. This should rinse it off. It was just sitting on the counter at home, so extra flavor. That's a good combo. Mocha with chocolate, hot chocolate. Anyway, I do thank you for watching. That was actually kind of fun to do. Something I don't normally do. I haven't used Fill Gel before, but liked it. I don't usually use Esbit a lot, but it worked pretty well. And I was going to use the Esbit stove to do lunch. Decided to use the Primus stove instead. Why not? And then that video will be after this one. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next one.